Hello, parents. Myself Varsha Mishra, and I am a child psychologist. Today, I am going to talk about the common problem which is faced by many parents, that is concentration. I think whenever I am talking to parents, they are telling me, "Ma'am, my child is not able to focus on one thing. He or she is not able to concentrate on studies, and because of that they are not able to get a good grades. So what we supposed to do?" So parents, today I am going to solve your problem. Today I am going to give you some ideas, some games which is going to help to improve your child concentration. Because I believe when we are working with child, we should always use play therapy, because play understand your child and your child understand play. So let's move on the game. I think which game I'm going to tell you, you all heard about, but you never know, you don't know the importance of that game. And I also take care that for that whatever game I'm going to tell, you don't have to go and purchase something out. You can easily, whatever things easily available at your home, with the help of that things you are only able to play this game. So let's move on. My first game is lemon and spoon. I think we all had played that game in our childhood, and for that there's no bigger or maybe some strict rule for that. The common thing, we need two things: one spoon, one lemon, and we have to run. So you can play with your child. You can, with the help of this game, you are able to improve your concentration. My next game, that is thread and needle. I think that is also easily available at your home. You only have to give a thread and needle to your child, and they have to pour the thread in a needle. How fast they are throwing, that is the most important thing, and that is going to help them to improve their concentration. My next game, it is very interesting and children are liking that. That is dart game. That is easily available in a market, but I just twist in that game. For that you just need a 6-7 bowls from your kitchen. Keep it in a triangle shape, in a 1 up 1 upon 2 2, and then take a ball and just achieve that target, fix that target which you have to achieve. And if your child is able to achieve that target, they are able to improve their concentration. My next game, take a 3 cup from your house and take a small ball, and in front of them just keep one ball in a 1 cup, and just start roaming your cup. And afterwards your child supposed to tell in which cup ball is. It is also going to help your child concentration. They need to focus on the cup, and it is very interesting game. You can play easily with your child. My next game is puzzle. Puzzle is also easily available in market, but here again I did one twist. Just make one drawing, or maybe your child, if some drawing your child had did, you can take that drawing, cut it in 6-7 pieces, and let them join that. So that is also going to help to improve your child. Puzzle is a very important thing to improve child concentration, and for that, to make interesting, I told you that you can use your child drawing only. So these are the game which is going to help to improve your child concentration. In fact, they are not only going to improve your child concentration, it is also going to build a beautiful relation between you and your child. Because when you are going to play with your child, you are going to understand them. And when they understand that you are understanding them, every problem is going to be solved. So parents, play with your child. Whatever game I told, just play with your child. For that, you don't have any excuse that I have to go to market and purchase, because the whole things at your home, and you can play with your child. So parents, be happy, make them happy, and improve your child concentration. Thank you.